Hello, dear.
Hi.
What's your? My name is a dinosaur. My name is a lion. Wow.
Wait, is it? Oh yes, it's working.
Wow.
My name is Deer.
So, are you a herbivore or a carnivore?
Yes, I am a herbivore.
I'm a carnivore.
What does carnivore means?
Let's call a friend bear, which is an omnivore, and let's tell our definitions. So first, I will go. Carnivores are defined as the animals who only eat meat. Now, dear, my friend dear, you go.
Yes, herbivores are the animals that eat the plants only. And what does the omnivores mean? Yes, omnivore.
Yes.
Well, omnivore means a type of animal that eats every single thing. For example, it can be a carnivore and eat meat, or it can be a herbivore and eat grains and plants and vegetables too.
Okay, it means all three can eat all the things.
Yeah.
Yeah.